Hey guys, it's another short and this is 4 sound effects. First up, I'm gonna do a brush sound effect. Oh my god. Next sound effect is a pen and a paper. What the? What? It's my brother again. Last one. Oh, I see a bubble. Wait, let me pop it. Oh! Wait, one more time. Oh my god. And now last one is going to be a whipped cream, okay? I have my whipped cream right over here. Oof, some neat whipped cream. Sub and like, guys, if you like the accuracy. That was all my brother. Peace.